Hello universe, another vlog means another country, and this time we're flying to Japan. But plot twist, we had a connecting flight from Naiya to Mactan International Airport, then finally to Narita after a 2 to 3 hour delay. So yeah, it's already an adventure before we even landed. So let's go! To get to our hotel, I booked an airport transfer through the Klook app. By the way, this is not sponsored. Since we had a lot of luggage and my parents aren't exactly that young anymore, I figured booking a car would be the most convenient way to go. Our hotel is Hotel Tavinos Asakusa. It's a manga theme, which is kind of why I choose it. But seriously, my sister wanted a peaceful area, and Asakusa has that calm vibe. It's also super close to the station, just a quick 2 to 5 minute walk. We arrived a little early before check-in, so we just left our luggage at the hotel. They have this convenient locker area where you can store your bags, and it's completely free to use. Our flight delayed meant a late lunch, so we tried this cozy ramen place just a short 2 minute walk from our hotel. The food was simple, comforting, and affordable, only about 400 yen or around 150 pesos. This is Hisago Street, located just beside our hotel. It's a charming little road that also connects to Ameyoko Shopping Street and Sensoji Temple, both just a short walk away. We went back to the hotel to check in and I found out a few cool things. The lobby has a self-service area for essentials and they even provide sleepwear, which came in handy since I didn't bring any. The staff were very nice and they offer free light breakfast from 6 to 10 a.m. along with manga books you can read anytime. Ayan na yung room tour natin kasi maliit lang siya. This is the CR. That's the CR. Where's the light? Where's the light? Diba? Yun. Ba't walang hangin? Ano to? Baka kung ano mapindot ko. Anyway, that's the toilet. That's the CR, the shower. This is the bed. That's Nicole. Let's see what's in here. What's this? Uy! Wow! Since it was already late and we couldn't follow our original first day itinerary, we decided to just visit the nearest tourist spots, which is the Ameyoko Shopping Street and Sensoji Temple. Dulo pa. Then left. And the shopping starts. We got a few essentials from the drugstore and some pasalubong, but of course, we're still heading to Don Quijote after this. grabbed some snacks, taiyaki. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's basically a fish-shaped pancake with different fillings. I got the custard one, my parents got red bean, and my sister went for ice cream. Before visiting Sensoji Temple, we grabbed some karaage, crispy, flavorful, and perfect for a chilly evening. At Sensoji Temple, I tried a traditional fortune telling. There were helpful English instructions written out so it was easy to read.
Time check. Wait lang, asa si Nicole? Nicole, time check.
Time check. 6:41, sarado na lahat. Diyos ko.
Wala na kami makainan sa kami kakain.
Luckily, we found this curry place near Don Quijote, Asakusa. After eating, we decided to shop at Don Quijote Asakusa because you can never skip donkey when you're in Japan. Before ending the day, we dropped by Lawson for a little conveni run to grab some late night snacks. We ate them at the hotel lobby where a musician was playing live piano, such a relaxing way to end the night.